Oh, yeah, literally right here. I got one right here. I'm just jigging. Oh, flying lady. Yeah, that's what I just had. Good morning, guys. We're back out here again. It's windy. As you can see, there's pretty good chop. But we're fishing. Got 2 tournaments. Tournaments do not really care about wind, weather, and waves, so you gotta get it while you can. But I am joined out here with Leonie and Justin. We're out here scooting around, seeing what we can find. We've all got trout so far and a couple of ladies. We're in mid-Matlacha Pass. Like I said, water temperature is 76.6 degrees. We got some mid-morning rollers. Hopefully the wind will die down. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the water. No, this is a snook, I think. Oh my god, that's a big trout. Hey, calm down. $17. This little dude waited till like right here by the boat. I'll measure you. Skrimp Pimp. I was just about to say, hey, look at that. That's an eagle. Looks like a juvenile bald eagle. Another one that just slammed literally this far off of the boat. Holy crap. This is a big. Oh. So a little ibis bird just took off out of here, like one of these. Just took off out of here, and that eagle came hawking him down. Watch it, he might do it again. He was looking at that other one, but he just straight hawked one down and almost got him on that island over there. That's so awesome. What is this? That is a huge lady. I think it's just a trout. Look, look. Oh, no. Not fast enough with the net. No, this is a snook. We're gonna be fast with this one though. Alright, I got my snook for the day. He's not big. Oh, he's bleeding. We'll get him out quick. Skrimp Pimp. Uh-oh. Wise guys. Skrimp Pimp. Down. I gotta get this thing. I gotta capture the beast first.
Ooh, that's a good one. Nice.
Oh, it's a snook.
A snook? Oh, we gotta see what size that is. What if it's flat?
That is a nice little snook.
Beautiful.
Tippy touching 25.
Okay.
Nice snook. Wise guys tackle, baby. Kickin Skrimp. Skrimp Pimp. Oh, she gone. I don't know. Oh, I feel like it's something dumb. I feel like it's a kitty cat. It's a kitty cat. Bro, can you sit still for just a second? Let me just... I need this super D-hooker 5000. But that works too sometimes. Well, it's a little after 1. We're probably going to make our way back. Bite definitely shut down. Lots of trout. Lots of ladyfish. A few juvenile snook. The 25-inch snook was the biggest of the day for me. No red, couldn't find any anywhere, but they're out here somewhere. It's just they've moved their patterns around. So thanks for watching. Give a like, a comment, and a subscribe if you haven't done that already. Helps the channel grow. I was joined out here again with my buddy Justin and my friend Leani. Check out their channels. I'll put that in the info down below. Other than that, getting things ready for the tournaments. That's creeping up real quick, so do what we can and get everything ready and hope we find some fish. That's the only thing we can do. So thanks again. See you guys on the water.